to find your Atome card number. So one way you can find these numbers is to go ahead into the Atome app, log into your account, and in the top left corner, you should be able to see the card section over here in the top left. So just go ahead and press on the manage right at the bottom of that section. Once you're there, you can go ahead and enter the view CVV and settings, which is the top rightmost option. So just go ahead and press on that. And from there, you should be able to see your card information for your virtual card along with your physical card. Although it is censored over here, what you're going to do is to just press on this closed eye icon on the top right. You're going to put in your passcode, and then the entire information of your card with the expiration and CVV will appear once you put in your actual password. But that's pretty much one way you can find your Atome card number. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.